At the time of this video, I'm 27, building a multi-billion-dollar empire in the unsexy space of restoration. In this video, I'm going to unpack on how I plan on doing so that way you can build the empire of your dreams as well. I'm a first-generation immigrant from Romania. Fun fact, I actually took my first steps on American soil when I was 1. Parents grew up basically doing all kinds of odds and ends. Dad ended up in construction and the trades. After high school, went into business with my father and built an 8-figure restoration company, 90 or so employees, Chicagoland leader in damage restoration. At that point, I uncovered the problem of technology within the restoration space. So I launched a product called Albiware, which is a B2B vertical SaaS company that is propelling the restoration industry forward. Was compelled to write the book, Restoration Millionaire, to give back to all my fellow restorers that were stuck and needed help in the restoration space. A bunch of people came to me for coaching. So then I started this company called Evolve, which is a group mastermind dedicated to help restoration business owners grow and scale their business. And then the last thing that recently started was Longview, which is just a family office investment arm where my best friend and I, Joey, invest in 5 to 10 restoration companies. But I'm going to be launching every Friday Q&As on Instagram Live. So follow me at It's Alex Duta, and I will be taking those tactical questions that you guys have within these high-level topics, and I'm here to unblock you. You could also comment on the video below, and as I get responses, I can launch videos on super tactical items. And then who knows, maybe I can send you guys a voice note if you guys DM me and try to unblock you guys there.